Hi, in today's video I wanted to share with you these 3-ingredient pancakes that are super simple to make and taste absolutely delicious. I have been loving making them every Saturday or Sunday for the past couple of weeks. They're such a great little treat to have in the morning. I have been loving having them during the weekend, but of course you can prepare them any time of the week, and you can even prepare a bigger batch and freeze them, and then you'll just have to warm them up before enjoying them. And now, without further ado, let's get into the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of oats, and 1 cup of plant-based milk of your choice. I'm using oat milk. Add the banana, oats, and plant-based milk into a blender cup and blend it until smooth. Next, heat up a pan on medium heat and add a bit of oil. When the oil is hot, lower the heat to minimum and add the batter onto the pan. I like to pour the batter onto the pan in one spot until a circle of my desired size is formed, and I repeat this with as many pancakes as I can fit on my pan. The best way to know when to flip your pancakes is to wait for the edges to cook all the way through, and then it is time to flip them. Once you have flipped them, let it cook for another minute or 2, and then you will remove them from the pan onto a plate. Repeat this until you run out of batter. When you finish making all of your pancakes, it is time to cut up some fruit of your choice to eat along with your pancakes. When you finish making all of the pancakes, it is time to cut up some fruit of your choice to eat along with the pancakes. I used some strawberry, a peach, and some wild berries today. You can add some nuts or coconut shreds if you would like as well. Then you can of course top it off with a little bit of maple syrup and enjoy. That is all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like it. It really helps me out and makes my day. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below to join the Living Life Simply community and never miss another video. Let me know in the comment below what toppings you enjoy on your pancakes, and make sure to share this video with whoever you think might enjoy it. I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!